What's the meaning of connective? Connective. Connective.
Connective. Connective. Connective refers to a word or phrase that links clauses, sentences, or paragraphs together within a piece of writing. Connectives are used to indicate how ideas are related and to make writing more cohesive. Examples of connectives include conjunctions such as and, but, and because, and transitional phrases such as however, in addition, and on the other hand. Effective use of connectives can improve the clarity and flow of a piece of writing, making it easier to understand and follow.